Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. She was wearing a dirty old flannel shirt. The air deodorizer will diffuse throughout our room. I like new clothes. A friendly cat. She needs to buy dictionary. An egg. People elected Lincoln President of the U.S. While going to school we always take a bus. Grandpa had his last car for 30 years when he sold it last year. By the end of the first term we shall have read many English books.